See this video. Looks like a normal street scene, but it's not real, it's AI. What does the BJP say? This is Assam if you don't vote for them. Beards, skull caps, fear all generated by a machine. So the real question is about immigrants. It's this: when AI can shape your fear, who's really in charge, the leaders or the algorithms? Let's break it down: what's real, what's AI, and why this matters for every voter in India. Welcome back, I am Swati Thakur and this is Straight to the Point. Today we are talking about AI, but not the kind that helps you finish your homework. We are talking about AI that's already helping political parties fight elections. The BJP used it in Assam, Congress used it in Bihar, and both videos tells us one thing: the future of political campaigning is not just about rallies or speeches. It's all about algorithms. AI is evolving faster than politicians can finish a rally speech. One day it's writing your email, the next it's rewriting your elections, and in India we have already seen it. AI has jumped straight from harmless chatbot to hard-hitting political propaganda. Two parties, two videos, two very different messages, but one big question: when AI becomes a political weapon, where do we draw the line? Part 1. Assam BJP's AI video, Fear as a Feature. BJP Assam's official handle dropped an AI video. And what did it show? Streets filled with men in skull caps and beards hanging out in parks, chopping meat, just existing. The warning: this is what Assam will look like if you don't vote for BJP. Now the official defense: no, it's not about Muslim, it's about illegal immigrants. But here's the catch. For years, the BJP has blurred the line between Indian Muslim and so-called infiltrators. Entire Bengali Muslim communities in Assam have faced eviction and demolitions because of the narrative. And when the Prime Minister himself has compared Muslim broadly to outsider, let's not pretend voters won't get the subtext. Here's the kicker: even today, the government doesn't have an official number for Bangladeshi immigrants in Assam. So what's the real goal? To fix immigrants or to plant in voters' head the idea that beards and topis are a threat to their land and jobs? AI didn't create this narrative, but it sure made it slicker, scarier, and way more shareable. Bihar Congress AI video, satire or sin? Now let's switch states. Bihar Congress went a completely different route with AI. Their video shows Modi going to bed after a day of vote chori, and in his dream, his late mother appears and scolds him for demonetization for exploiting her image for everything. The BJP called it defamatory. The Patna High Court agreed, ordering the video down for violating dignity and privacy. So here's the ethical riddle. Satire has always been part of politics, from cartoons in newspaper to memes on Twitter, but AI changes the game. It makes satire look real. It hits harder, cuts deeper, and blurs that thin line between parody and personal attack. Yes, it's powerful, but is using someone's deceased mother fair game? Or does that cross into cheap shot territory? And that brings us to the bigger issue. AI is evolving, and with it, the rules of political discourse are breaking down. Once upon a time, you only had campaign speeches and op-eds. Then came memes and WhatsApp forward. And now AI can generate full-blown alternate realities. One video paints Muslim as outsider, another drags a leader's late mother into political commentary. What's next? We would see AI voices, AI deepfakes, AI rallies that never even happened. So the question is not just, was the BJP's video communal or was Congress video too personal? The question is, do we want AI to become the loudest voice in our democracy? Because once AI starts shaping what people see, believe, and fear, who's actually running the show? The politician or the algorithms? So what do you think? Is this AI revolution giving us sharper political critique or just sharper political weapons? Should it be regulated, banned, or left wide open? Tell us in the comment, and remember, AI is not neutral anymore. It's political and it's only getting stronger. For more such videos, please do subscribe, like,